getting with this F9 Pro, and it has the same rating of OnePlus dash charger, that is 20 watt total output, 5 volt 4 ampere, and it looks exactly like the dash charger, which I will show you in a minute. Now, Oppo claims that a 5 minutes of charge is good enough to deliver up to 2 hours of talk time, and it offers about 4 times faster charging speed than conventional chargers. Now, let me show you the dash charger. As you can see, the design is exactly similar, and as I mentioned before, it's a 20 watt charger as well. Now, one thing very important we should consider in this speed test is the battery size of Oppo F9 Pro is 3500 mAh lithium polymer, whereas you are getting a 3300 mAh battery on OnePlus 6. Now, to make the test fair, I will keep the devices turned off in this battery charging speed test, because the battery backup of Oppo F9 Pro is actually inferior to OnePlus 6. All these devices here are at 0% battery level. The next device is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, having a 3500 mAh lithium ion battery, and the charger is the adaptive fast charger of Samsung, rated 9 volt 1.67 ampere or 5 volt 2 ampere, that is 15 watt maximum. So definitely the charging speed won't be as fast as dash charger or the flash charger, that is the Oppo VOC charger. So without any further ado, let's get started. There you go guys, all the devices are connected to the respective chargers. So let's turn on the power supply and check whether the VOC charger of Oppo can really compete with the dash charger of OnePlus. I will come back after 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes already. Let's check the battery status. I will start with Oppo F9 Pro, and it's at 9% battery level. There is S9 Plus at 6% and also OnePlus 6 at 9% as well, same as Oppo F9 Pro. Of course, considering the battery sizes, the VOC charger is faster here. There you go, it's at 10%, and with this 10% battery, Oppo claims that you can talk for 2 hours continuously. OnePlus 6 is also at 10% and S9 Plus at 6%. I will come back at the 10 minutes mark on the stopwatch. Guys, 5 more minutes have passed, so let's now check F9 Pro, which is at 18% battery level, and OnePlus 6 is now at 19%, which is actually quite good, and F9 Pro is also at 19%. So looks like Oppo and OnePlus are having a great fight. On the other hand, S9 Plus is at 13% battery level. Now, if you consider the battery sizes, Oppo F9 Pro, which is now at 19%, charged about 665 mAh of juice. OnePlus 6 having a smaller battery, charged 627 mAh of battery juice, and S9 Plus 455 mAh. So definitely at this point of time, the VOC charger of Oppo is the fastest. I will come back at the 20 minutes mark. Stay tuned. There you go, it's 20 minutes on the timer, and F9 Pro with VOC charger is now at 37% of the battery, and OnePlus 6 as 38. So in terms of battery percentage, OnePlus is still ahead of F9 Pro. There you go, the Oppo smartphone just turned 38%, and in terms of battery size, definitely VOC charger is faster, and the Samsung flagship is stuck at 26%. Now let me share with you the readings in terms of milliamp hour. OnePlus 6 charged 1254 milliamp hour, whereas F9 Pro 1295, S9 Plus 910 milliamp hour. So kudos to Oppo for developing such a fast charger. I mean, it's faster than the very popular dash charger. Now the problems with these fast chargers is at higher battery levels, this becomes very slow. On the other hand, Samsung adaptive fast charger remains very constant, which I will talk about at the end of this video. There is no overheating I can see. So let's wait for another 9 minutes. I will come back at the 30 minutes mark. Guys, I'm back once again. And Oppo F9 Pro with VOC charger is now at 56% battery level and OnePlus 6 at 57%. So it's getting very interesting. Both devices here are very consistent, whereas Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is at 38%. That means out of 3500 mAh battery juice, 1330 mAh have been charged, whereas F9 Pro charged 1960 mAh, OnePlus 6 1881. But in terms of battery percentage, it's behind OnePlus 6 and maybe it will lose to OnePlus, but in terms of battery charging speed, definitely the VOC charger is faster than the dash charger. Now let's wait for another 14 minutes. I will take the next reading at 45 minutes mark. Hey guys, let's check F9 Pro once again. It's at 82% battery level and OnePlus 6 is at 79%. So this time F9 Pro could overtake OnePlus 6 at higher battery level. Dash charger becomes quite slow, whereas the VOC charger is actually quite consistent till now. S9 Plus is now at 58% battery level. So no need to say the VOC charger is too fast and also consistent. At the end of this video, I will show you the charging graph to talk about the consistency and the charging speed. So let's wait for a few more minutes. I will come back at the 1 hour mark. Guys, it's already 1 hour and 8 seconds. So F9 Pro is at 94% and OnePlus 6 is now at 90%. So I don't think there is any chance for the dash charger to beat the VOC charger of Oppo. S9 Plus is now at 76%. 18% is charged in the last 15 minutes, that is 630 mAh, whereas Oppo VOC charger charged about 420